Okay, so to conclude the lessons on this DVD, we need to get our controls from the left-hand side of our character mirrored over to the right-hand side of our character. In this video, we're going to focus on getting the leg controls and the rest of the leg rig, including the bones and everything else going on under the hood, mirrored to the right-hand side of our character. So with my mouse over the viewer, I'm going to push tab, and I'm going to activate the mirror tool. I've got the mirror tool, and I want the new prefix to be R underscore, removing up to the underscore. I'm then going to go ahead and grab all of the nodes that relate to the leg, and we can see that when we select all of those nodes, we get a graphical representation showing us that we are indeed mirroring across the correct mirror plane. So with all of those nodes selected, I'm going to push enter, and that's going to mirror those nodes. Now we do have one small thing that we need to change. There's a single parameter down on our inverse kinematics chop that wasn't quite changed correctly. So let's jump down inside our kin chops network. And if we take a look at our inverse kinematics, the first thing you'll notice is they do need renaming. So let's rename this to R underscore foot kinematics, R underscore leg kinematics, and R underscore toes kinematics. And on the leg kinematics, you'll notice that the IK twist is still set to the left leg twist control. We want that to be the right left twist control. So we're going to grab the right leg twist control in rotate Z, and that now means that the right control object will be dealing with modifying that twist parameter there on the control. Fantastic. As opposed to obviously having our left control affecting both legs, which wouldn't make much sense. We do need to change the wireframe color of our controls. So I'm going to grab all of the controls for our foot, jump to the mix tab, and give them a red wireframe color, since I'm going to go with the color convention of red being R being right and blue for left. So we're going to have red controls on the right hand side of our character. Other than rearranging the nodes in our network, that does complete the setup. We can test it out. Grab the handles tool and grab the foot control and see that working. See that we don't currently have stretchiness, but if we were to grab our R upper leg and we can enable leg stretchiness, then indeed we do now have stretchiness. And we can rotate that. We can rotate up based on the ball of our foot or the toes of our foot. So let's grab the ball and we can rotate up or the toes. And again, we have that twist still with the correct offset pivot point. Fantastic. So I am going to go ahead and off camera rearrange the nodes in the network editor. Basically, we've got our nodes kind of representing legs and kind of representing an arm. It could be, spend a little bit of time cleaning these up and make them look a lot more like an arm and a leg. But to be honest, it doesn't really fit into the purpose of these DVDs. Rearranging nodes in a network, anybody can really do. So I'm going to actually rearrange the nodes for the right leg just to mirror the layout on the left leg. But I'm going to do that off camera. It doesn't benefit you guys to sit and watch me for a few minutes to do that. So in the next video, we're going to jump back in here and deal with getting the arm mirrored. But for now, that is going to conclude this video. Thanks a lot, everyone.